Я говорю, потом.
Ой, ничего себе.
О чем как? А, ёпта, нихера себе.
Обалдеть. И 3 машины.
And it's exclusive for Wichita's local artist, Power 93.5.
If your spring wardrobe it just your vibe, sell the items you're ready to part with to Plato's Closet. They
Got that on camera.
Oh, shit.
Лежать. Кротик, ну все, ну попугал уже. Ты прости, что я тебя бутылкой залепетал микрофону, умоляюще хватает.
Ты знаешь, я выберу ту, у кого, наверное, меньше звезд. Значит, ну и потише. Значит, ну, часто она выезжает, да.
Куда ты, сука? Куда ты едешь, блядь, овца, блядь? Куда ты едешь, блядь? Ты куда едешь? Тут односторонняя, блядь. Разворачивайся. Разворачивайся! Тут односторонняя! Давай, давай, давай!
Stood around enough, doing nothing while his friends died. He didn't think, he acted, he ran. The other way. Kip hated Ram. When Ram ran, it was like watching a hunting hound speed after a deer, all hard lean muscles and flowing strength. When Issa ran, it was like watching the deer flee, all easy grace and surprising speed. Kip running was like a milk cow lumbering out to pasture. Still, no one was expecting him. He made it to Ram's body and to full speed before he heard a shout. To the lot, he stopped it. A dead tree, yes.
Big car accident, Highway 50, traveling westbound, just before the, oh my god, we just passed 58th Street, 59th Street. There's a truck on its side. Sorry, go ahead. Yes. After, yeah, right around there. Yes, I did. I was, oh my god, I was right behind them. I am not hurt. My car was not involved. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, it looks like a shorter semi. There's maybe one lane open because there's some cars coming through. You good? Excellent. No, that's perfectly fine. It's one of those things that if I don't call it in, I don't know who's going to, so just wanted to make sure I did.